Hello, scientists. Our target skill for today is I can identify and compare the major parts of plants. Let's take a look together. So here you see a sneak peek preview at all of the different parts of the plant. The plant uses its different parts to help it get what it needs. We know that a plant needs soil, air, room to grow, sunlight, and water to survive. We are going to take a look at the parts of a plant starting from the bottom. The first part we are looking at today are the roots. The roots are the parts of the plant that hold it in place. It takes water and nutrients from the soil. In this picture, you can see very large roots on this tree. This tree needs large roots because it is a large tree. A plant like this will not need as big of roots, but the roots hold it into the soil and soak up all of those nutrients and even water. The next part of the plant that we are looking at is the stem. The stem is the part of the plant that takes water from the roots to the other parts of the plant. So the roots soak in the water and the stem serves as a tunnel to get the water and nutrients to the other parts of the plant. The stem also holds the plant up so it can stand straight and tall. Look at these two types of stems. What kind of plants do you think these stems belong to? The next part of the plant that we are going to look at are the leaves. The leaves are the parts of the plant that make food for the plant. We know that a plant needs sunlight. The leaves take in the sunlight and use it to make food. The flower. The flowers are the parts of the plants that make the seeds. What is a seed? A seed is the part of the plant that will grow to look like the plant that made the seed. This is how we get more plants, by planting seeds. The plant makes its own seeds in its flowers. Some plants also have fruit. The fruit are the part of the plant that holds the seeds. Do you see the seeds in these fruits? Have you ever eaten a fruit or even a seed before? You can see that in strawberries hold the seeds on the outside. Do you see all of the tiny seeds on the strawberries? The fruit holds the seeds to keep them safe. All right, boys and girls, those are just a few parts of a plant. It's your turn to go and read this week's pages and complete the activities about the different parts of a plant. Have fun, scientists, and I'll see you next time.